Eternal latency lag. Alright, it should be running now. Okay, well, let's just get through a couple more activities. Then I think we'll we'll start some art. And maybe play a game after art. Okay, sometimes when we compile, we want to give the output executable file a specific name. To do so, the compile command is slightly different. We still need to write the G++ and the file name in the terminal. After that, there should be a -0 and then the name that you want to give to the executable file. The compiler will then translate the C++ program hello.c and create a machine code file called hello. And the computer will execute the program one instruction at a time. Once again, we're working with the Hello World program. Wait, it won't? That isn't right. It should. Uh... Ah. Okay, let's see. Once again, we're working with the Hello World program. Check the folder icon. Okay, yeah, we did that. There should be a hello dot. Yes, okay. Compile. This time give the name hello. Okay. So we do G plus plus dot CPP. Then it's, I think it was O minus hello. Oh, wait, no. Wait, hang on. Let's try this again, but instead, Control C. Nope, Control V. Oh, no, that is Oblivion Remastered. Oh, we don't want that. I mean, we do want that game. It looks fun as fuck. Ooh, you know what? Fuck it. I won't. I need to clean up my throne, actually. I have not been doing it well. Ooh, wait, hang on. Give me one moment. Ooh, let's just. Ah, son of a biscuit. Okay. All right. And let's see. H100. NVIDIA. Meh. Copy image. Add a cache gift. I might be a little bit behind. That is not out of the realm of possibility. Maybe this isn't a good idea to do live on stream. You know what? Nah, this is fine. No, stream elements is stream elements. Let's see, Control V. And then price. How much are these things again? Okay, yeah, let's just put in 30,000 US dollars. And after oh, thanks for the hydrate, Nimmer. Okay. Yeah, got the duck. Oh, wait, no, I have water right here. Nice. Okay, so it's G plus plus. And I think it's this O and hello. But yeah, Nim, I got the little duck. And it's a goose. Oh, okay, that worked. Ah, this is machine code. Lovely. Okay. To click on the folder icon again, there should be a new run. No, okay. Hang on. So execute. It was ./hello. All right, that worked. Stop attacking me, Goose. You're inhibiting my progress. Programming is often highly collaborative. In addition, our own code can quickly become difficult to understand when we return to it. Oh, I feel this so much. Sometimes only a few hours later. For these reasons, it's often useful to leave notes in our code for ourselves and other developers. Okay. As we write C++ programs, we can write comments in the code that the compiler will ignore as our program runs. These comments exist just for human readers. Comments can explain what the code is doing, leave instructions for developers using the code, or add any other useful annotation. I know a little bit about code, not enough to like be good at it, but enough not to get the headache yet. But I remember when I was first learning, like last year, oh my gosh, this hurt me like mentally and emotionally. Yeah. Thing is, I need to learn because I'm not that good at coding. Well, you're learning so much, Nubium. You'll be a C++ developer by the end of this. Trust. Yeah, but I have to learn C++ because now, technically, we're only learning code in about 4 months for my degree. But my degree has work integrated learning, so I need to know how to code when we start learning code. Because if I don't know how to code when we start learning code, I can't get a job. It's so much money maker, but it makes me. Yeah, I think the best, like, this is what my teacher told me to do, which I'm currently not doing. But he said learn Python, then learn Java, and then learn C++. Then learn C#/C++. Since Python will make it easier to learn Java, and learning Java after Python will make it easier to learn C. I'm just gonna raw dog it because I'm a bit of a masochist. But yeah, there are 2 types of code comments in C++. He is, but like, yeah. I don't know, like I've always felt ever since I was a child that like some part of me was just intrinsically built like better. So I feel like I'll be fine. Yeah. Well, I mean, if you can tackle C, then you can easily tackle Python. Okay, let's see. Now, comments can explain what the code is doing, leave instructions for developers using the code, or add any other useful annotations. There are 2 types of code comments in C++. A single line comment will comment out a single line. A single line comment will comment out a single line and is denoted with 2 forward slashes preceding it. I know, the logic is infallible, Nubian. Let's see, / prints hi to the terminal. Okay. Print hi. A multi-line comment will comment out multiple lines. Name with yada yada yada. Ah. My dad works in the yacht community, and the C# developers make everything off of commission. What is the yacht community? Like, as in, like, people who run yachts? Like, I heard about that. Yeah. Multiple lines in it. Let's practice adding a comment. Add a new line above the Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Wait. Oh, hang on. What was the line type? Oh, other way. / Harry Potter. Fuck. Okay, let's see. So it's G. See, G plus plus spell dot cpp dash o spell. Okay. Then we're just gonna type dot slash spell expecto patronum. I actually once considered briefly working on like super yachts and stuff like that because it's a lot of money. But it's clear that like the qualifications for it, you know, like there are other qualifications one could get. Oh, okay, chat's finally caught up. Ah, the boats. What do yachts need C# for? For their home automation systems, okay? Or they should just use open source home automation if they don't because it's good. Oh yeah, Nubian, we have a Discord server. Just type dash Discord if you'd like to join. Hang on. No way, I spelled that wrong. Okay, yes. Ah, okay, so they make their own home automation system. That's pretty neat. I mean, it makes sense. Like, I know my university, they created their own online learning application. Just... Alrighty. And apparently, if you know, have access to the apps, you can make 5k euros a month off commission. Wait, really? Damn, I might need to look into that because like 5k euros a month is a lot of money for me. That is like easily before taxes, that's about 170. No, that is about 200,000 rand. In freedom units, that's okay. So one freedom unit, let's see, euro to dollar. I know that the dollar is worth less than the euro. So let's see. 5,000 freedom units, that's 5,675 freedom units right there. Yeah, now freedom units are worth slightly less than euros because euros are a much more stable currency. Yeah, I know, that's very good. Damn, I need to get good at C. Okay, let's see. Now, compile and execute. Okay, got it. Now let's just check the hints what it would want us to do. Ah. Okay. And let's see what it wants us to do here. Okay, yeah, that works well. Yeah, just always good to like make sure you do everything right. Football fields for moon landing. Okay, it's about point. Let's see. Let's do the math now. Okay, let's see. Football field cost. Okay, we'll say $100,000. How much did the moon landing cost? But of course, no, it's 2.8 billion. Now this is 25.8 billion. Oh, okay, got it. Now let's bring up. Let's see, where is our? Where's paint? Paint. Here it is, paint. So now 25 bill versus, okay, we're gonna just assume it's gonna be 100, okay, tens of thousands to 100,000. We're gonna say it's $100,000. Now I'm not good at math, but 100 T Okay, now, if we operate under the assumption of football fields per moon landing, let's bring out the calculator. $25. I don't even know how we're going to calculate this. Well, no, actually, wait. Since the moon landing never actually happened and it's not real, we can assume that the moon landing's theoretical cost is N. N being the final amount. Okay, so therefore, 100,000. Now we'll assume that N in this case is the amount being made, which is $5,000. No, wait, no, it's let's see, $5,675. Ah, no shit, bit me again. Okay, so how now? Let's say calculator, reveal thyself. I can't find my calculator. Where the fuck did I put it? Ah, here it is. So 100,000 divided by 25 billion. Let's go with the fake math. Okay, that's 0.004. Okay. This math is wrong, but we're just gonna roll with it because the sum is ridiculous. It's 0.0000227 football fields per moon landing. Okie dokes. Now back to code. Now let's see. Congratulations. In this lesson, you have learned compilation and execution using the terminal. Ooh, lovely. Now, single line comments. I will look at this later, but I don't need that now because I think I've roughly understood how it works. Oh, web development, that's neat. Ooh, let's see. Oh, you sent images? Let's have a little look-sees. Oh, Nima, welcome into the Data Night Containment and Niobium. Hang on, let me add a React. Media. Oh, they use. Damn. Let's see. Oh, that's not too many modules. I could probably learn how to do this. Pro AV School. I'm gonna type that in just because it might be useful for future reference. Okay, shall I bring this on stream? Yeah, let's bring this on. Yes. Alrighty, so these are the wait, no, shit. We'll get to that later. Wow, we're just really being assaulted by skill issues today. I could, but I'm lazy. And that laziness is biting me in the ass. Oh, well, anyway, here is the devices. And here is the automation program. Wait, no, open link. Pro AV School. Yeah, I'm not doing a boot camp. Oh no, it was. This seems pretty neat. Alright. Oh no. No, command line. Oh. Okay, we might have to buy Codecademy one day.
Joey_Paul13 just followed.
Oh, hi, Joey. Welcome. Ah, shit. Okay. And do I have any mods in my chat? That could be a fun project when we improve our code in a bit. Nope, none of my mods are here. Okay, yep, looks like I gotta do this. Okay, let's see. Mod. No. Mod actions. Yeah. Oh no. Okay, that's not right. How do I ban this? Okay, let's just open like Twitch. Let's see. Warn Joey. No. Timeout Joey. Ban Joey. There it is. That's the button. Oh, bye, Nim. Have a lovely day. Okay. Oh shit. Sorry about that. Okay, now let's see. Go to theory. No. Build a Pokedex. Use Swift to develop your own Pokedex. We can do that? Oh my gosh. I want to learn how to do that. Okay, this seem really fun. I want to do that, and I do want to learn Swift. So fuck. Okay, I'm gonna have to buy Codecademy eventually. And we'll just test out this first. If you do want to do anything at some point, let's see. If you do want to do anything at some point with it, just hit me up and I can connect who has access to the... Oh, that would be lovely, actually, Krim. Thank you very much for that offer. That would be amazing. Because I'm gonna be real. Yeah, I mean, fucking FW's in the chat for Krim. So how is 3ds Max? Okay. Alrighty, so C++ is a compiled language. That means that to get the program to run, you must first translate it from human... Yeah, we read this. What you read and write is called source code. Usually it's in an English-like language like C++. And what the computer executes is called executable, object code, or machine code, a machine language. Typically, C++ source code files are given the suffix .cpp, exhellos.cpp, or oh, do you feel it? I'm just feeling the vibes this time. Chat, we vibing. No, 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 no. Hmm. Yeah, Maya does seem like a little bit iffy. What the? Why is chat not working? Okay, well, let's fix that. Look at this, chat. Look at this. The goose was vibing with us. Goosey was vibing with us, chat. Okay, goodbye, Goosey. All right, let's see. Oh, okay, we learned some new concepts here. Chatterino. Oh, what is Chatterino? This looks pretty cool. Might look around, might check it out a little bit. It seems pretty cool. C++ is a compiled language. That means that to get a program to run, you must first translate it from the human readable form to something a machine can understand. That translation is done by a program called compiler. Yeah, we know that part. What you read and write is called source code. Usually it's in English-like language, like C++. And what the computer executes is called executable. Object code or machine code, a machine language. Typically, C++ source code files are given the suffix .cpp or .h. A compiler translates the C++ program into machine languages. Wait a minute. What's sad? Okay, let's see. A compiler translates that C++ program into machine language code. So let's see, it's the source code, then it's the preprocessor, the compiler, and then the linker. Okay. Links the object code with standard library routines that the program may use and create next as a file name without any extension. Oh. A cooldown. Wait, what? Okay, I found a shorter version. Is there a cooldown? I think it might be that there's like a limit. Okay, let's see. Special features. I see what the issue is. Okay, so song requests are set at limited to 10. Let's see. Let's try and fix this. Okay, I don't think we could turn off that, but we can increase it. So we'll just set this to like... We'll set it to like 50. I think that's a good number. If we need to increase it, then we will. Oh, we could... Oh, these seem like a lot of cool features. We might have to do that. Goose Hyonk. Hyonk. Could be. How long is the song? No, it shouldn't be too long. Try again. It was likely just the limit was hit. Okay. Compiler translates the C++ program into machine code language, which stores on the disk as a file or the extension. Ah, I see. Let me just lower the view count then. Song requests, options, settings. I'm gonna set it to 500. So we'll probably increase it to 1,000 later. Let's see, a compiler that translates the C++ program into machine language code, which is stored on this. A linker then links the object code with stand. Hello. Goosey's vibing with us again. Look at it, Goosey's vibing. On a Mac, it's called the terminal. On Windows, it's called the command prompt. I see. Or outdated. Note in the video above, some of the instructions for downloading and installing G++ are outdated. Yeah. We're just gonna rock it without the video tutorials for now. Damn. Oh, Goosey. Let's see. Now, in diagram below, what are the two terminal lines used for? Oh shit, chat's vibing too. All right, let's see. Code debug, save. Okay. Fuck! Wait, no. Oh, I didn't read the question. Fuck, I'm a dumbass. Oh, yeah. I wish I had Gritty Goose. Ow. When Helton wakes up, he's gonna have to drop the Gritty Goose in here. Okay, let's see. In the diagram, what are the terminal lines used for? Compiling and executing the program. I'm so dumb. Which one is a single line comment in C++? No, I'm a comment. Pick me, I am a comment. This is a comment. I am a comment. Mess with the honk, you get the bonk. I once was able to almost get Gritty Goose, but I got a different one and I was so mad. Uh-oh. No, no, wait, shit. Fuck, 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 fuck. Wait, shit. Running Hello World locally. I don't think I need to learn command prompt yet, but if I do, I'll come back to that. I've tried to get it, but people go past it or don't go far enough in the streams I watch. Yeah. Although I think it's like, it's a level 8 hype train to my knowledge is the one where you get Gritty Goose. True/false C++ is a general purpose programming language based on the C programming language. True. In the diagram below, what are the two terminal lines used for? What should go in the blank to output a string in the terminal? Okay, which one is a single line comment in C++? Ooh. No. Do. What would the output for a program like this be? Okay. The fuck? Is that like Chinese? No, no, that looked like kanji. Okay. You earn 10 XP each towards your skill. Noise. Mess with the honk, you get the bonk. Let's see. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, write a C. Oh, is that Nero? We love Nero in chat. Write a C++ program called initials.cpp that displays the of your name. What? Mother, huh? Fuck. Um, Start. Okay. Okay, let's see. I guess hashtag. Okay. Well, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. We'll give this a shot real quick. Okay, after we finish these tasks, we'll probably start art, but damn. Oh god. So let's see. Hash include iOS. No. What was it called? iOS stream. Okay, so it's iOS. Yeah, that's right. Int main. No, wait. Do that, then it's all right. Now it wants us to build these in little block letters. Now we're just gonna assume this is like that one print command. Now I really want to. But what will Goose do? Like, will it be like redeems that you can make Goose do things? Like, make the Goose attack the cursor? I mean, this program was on itch.io and it's got all this stuff, so for mod makers. Ooh. Okay, so it's clear that it's got mods, so it should be possible to invent it. Well, I think if you have a lot of ideas, you should follow the system developer lifecycle. Where pretty much, okay, layers, add, you know, we'll just call it developer lifecycle. Okay, so first you write down your ideas and then you trim the fat. You know, you determine what's possible. You put down all your ideas and you determine what's possible. You make a rough estimate of how you're going to execute that. Yeah, as you could tell, I'm very bad with paint and mouse. Then you begin the test. You begin implementing and testing. Then you begin perfecting it, launch, etc. Yeah, all SDLC. Honk! Gucci did the meme. Okay, so let's see. So what is the task? Yeah, we want initials.cpp. Okay. Now let's see. We're gonna try. What was it that we typed for like printing again? It was. Hang on. Fuck. How did I forget this already? Ah, yeah, it was std.cout. Okay. No. Now let's see. /n. D. Let's see. So /n. Then we go D/n. 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 Wait, hang on. No, wait, we're doing something wrong. Another good meme. Busy day. He's even typing with his feet. I feel terrible. Okay, let's see. D. Okay, so for now we'll start with D. Wait, no. Okay, yeah, that looks right. Maybe we'll add a couple less D's. 1, 2. 1, 2. Darn. Wait a minute. No, okay, wait, something's off here. Yeah. Okay. First, write a comment with a fun fact about yourself. I like cheese. Then we'll go here. Initial. Yeah, after we finish this activity, then we're gonna be done. Okay, I'll put your initials. Okay. What? Ooh. Ow. G. Hmm. Control C. Hmm. Hmm. Wait a minute. Hmm. Well, he probably puts a lot of work into it. All right, let's see. If this doesn't work, then we're just gonna actually start doing this in the easy way. Fuck. Probably the same way Vocaloids work, really. And let's see, so G++ dot CPB. We are coding this wrong. Ah. G++ initials dot CPP. Oh, wait, no. Yes! No! Fuck! Oh, what was exciting you? ./A. Okay, Well, I think we're gonna take a bit of a break from code and maybe do some art. But I am gonna take a, let's see. What the? Okay. I think I'm gonna take a light break. It's been about 2 hours now, so I'll just be gone for like 10, 15-ish minutes. I will be leaving on the music bot though, and I will be right back. Then we'll do a bit of art, and when we finish with art, we'll either go back to coding or play a game. That was like 15 minutes, right? Oh shit. Okay. Oh boy. Wow. That is a lot of goose and euro. Okay. Oh, hey, welcome, Nibium. How you doing? Okay, so we're gonna call it quits for the coding today. We'll definitely pick it up either later or tomorrow, but for now, we need to work on some art. Probably the same way. Oh, right, sorry. Yeah, no, I've got no fucking clue. I have a rough idea how it works, kind of. I think it's the same way that AI art works. Alrighty then, now, time for art. Okay. Maybe. And where's the thingy-majig? Ah. Okay, let's just get our drawing pad up. What the fuck is that thingamajig? Okay. I did actually. Well, I just yeeted it to the other side of the table. But I mean, yeah, that's how it works. You gotta throw the keyboards out the way. Mm. Come on, no goose, goose. Mm. Okay. Now let's see what to draw. Now, we're not gonna learn today because I'm just meh. Mm. You gotta get your honks up. Hmm. Okay, we're gonna try and do some art for at least an hour, then we'll play a game. Probably the long dog. I want to finish that. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, but I'm not like too big of a fan of OpenAI though. Like I understand like the use of like AI art, but it's just, yeah. AI art feels like a bit like a money pit to me. Because, like, using AI as a tool and an assist is great, but I don't think it should be used particularly for art. Oh, do they? Yeah, that's pretty neat. Because, like, the problem with AI is AI art, I don't think it's utterly terrible. Like, I feel it's got a lot of useful applications, but here's the thing, anything that AI can be used for, there are already programs that do that. Like, there are already programs that are used to generate in-betweens. There are already programs for like that. So it's not a program for artists, because those art programs have long since been developed. It's exclusively for corporations and stuff. And all these AR companies, like, the bigger it gets and the better it is, the more processing power it uses. Like, there's a certain point where it's like it's cheaper to just hire an artist. Down, no, no. I send. Oh yeah, no. I mean that's not a problem. But, like, just from personal experience, like, I've had people tell me to, like, use Chat GPT, like, instead of drawing, which I just find, like, I know I'm not really great at art, but, it's like, I think there's like a point where it's like, you kind of just want to develop the skill because it would be nice to have. Like, it's fun to play around with, don't get me wrong, but it's like, it's not going to replace artists. People say it will, but nah. Yeah, no, there's no issue with messing with it. Like, like, you should mess with it. Eventually, you're not gonna have it anymore. Okay, so it's like, it's best to use it now while you still can. The thing about AI is it's eventually, the demand's gonna drop. Alright, so now we will name him Filbert, and he will be the destroyer of worlds. Alrighty. Let's drop another song request. Let's see. Cult classic. Hope I spelled that right. What the? Something's up. Oh. Okay, the program appears to have disconnected. Now, I want to get at least 2 hours of art out every day. Hmm. Ooh. No, minimizing it shouldn't have done anything. Okay. I think it's just because I think it's a network thing. Yeah, okay, let's try and fix this. Hang on, let's reopen it. Gosh darn it. Okay, and let's open MooBot. Ooh, whoops, that's water. Okay, it's giving us some minor issues while we wait for it to start loading and working and shit. Let's just finish this up. Retry. That's not good. I'm like 90% certain Moobot should be legitimate. I've seen other people use it. Darn. Refresh the page? Very likely. Okay, let's just... Yeah, it's likely our internet acting up again. It does this sometimes. Okay, can chat. You were disconnected from the server. Yep. Okay, might work now. Oh, wait, hold up. Okay, now. I think we might just have to stop streaming and restart. Okay. Now, there you go. Alright, it's working. Let's just run a quick test for the chat. Okay, it still isn't working. Alright. Yes, we know we're disconnected. Now work, you stupid old chatty. Is anyone still there? Maybe my chat's just delayed. Oh, fuck, my back is so sore. Why am I so shrimped? Ah, now it's working. Okay, so today we're just doing regular ass practice. I think it's really just connectivity issues on my part. This one's Medibang. I don't know how to draw shoes or feet yet, so we're just gonna skip those for now. We'll do them later. I would like to move on to Clip Studio Paint since it's a better program, but it's just expensive. Try Britain? Oh dear, so we gotta use Britain as a program. Britain is like that country's a notorious program. Damn, he took his end pass away. Hmm. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Because I think Medibang though, I might try Critter. But it's like if it's marginally like depends how similar it is, because like Medibang's been a pretty good program to me. Let's see. There is a good Discord bot. I wonder if it works on Twitch. Nightbot can do it too. Let's see. There is a good Discord bot. I wonder if it works on Twitch. Well, Moobot's not working. Let's see. You're getting good at drawing. My weakness is people. I can do pretty much anything else. PPL? No. Let's try and enhance this a bit. No, this is roughly about the limit of what we're gonna get out of this. Yeah. I may have to sneak into my university and steal an art book on coloring. Drawing, I have a couple PDFs on that. I think my weakness in regards to doodles is how I keep adding shoulders and stuff. Okay, we'll do one more thing, then we'll probably play a game or something. I'm gonna try and make a little cute little guy. Let's make a little goose. I think I will do that. But I think like that one needs a lot of work, so it will be easier to make it a new one from scratch. But it's like I need to develop like the art skills. Thing is though with layers is I know that like digital artists use layers a lot, but the thing is it's like I need to build up like the art skills to justify the use of layers. Like sometimes I'll use layers, but it's like I'm only using the layers I need for what I'm doing. His name shall be Duckington. I'm not afraid of layers. Like I've actually had like I've drawn things that have used over like 60 layers. In fact, but it's just like, we don't need additional layers at the moment because we're not doing anything too clever. We can probably make him an emote. But what emote to make him? No, 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 no bites, no bites, no bites, no bites, no bites. Bad goosey. Haha. I'm gonna write the words honk on here. No, my handwriting's atrocious. I'd like to learn how to write in cursive. Never got taught that in school. There you go, perfect. Actually, no, we'll just roll with the regular ass goose. We'll make a honk goose emote later. Maybe we'll even make it animated. Yeah. Okay, then let's export this. Wait, no, first let's and control this. Yep, merge into one. Okay, and then we're just gonna press Control T. Okay, we'll enlarge good old Goosey. Apply. Then we'll change the size. Oh, sorry, this is a bit close. Then we will layer. We will change the size of the canvas. Width, we're going to change the width to 1440. And we're going to, let's see. Desktop goose emote. You can draw him in Blender to animate. We could actually. Wait, cancel. Now let's just quickly go here. Yeah, I heard about that actually. Now, what's it called? Oh, right, yeah, Twitch. Man, I am not feeling the artiness today. I don't know why. We'll draw one more thing, just cause like I want to like make sure I draw every day. But yeah, goose. Oh, we don't have to worry about copyright because it's on a different VOD track. Cause it's on a different track. Okay, so this will be the final thing we draw today. And I think now's a good time to try and... Let's try and draw a hand. Now, let's see, alright, let's just try and draw this one example. Wait, really? Oh yeah, if you could. I didn't know there was an OBS plugin for that. Yeah, I do actually have one of those. What's the plugin called? Okay. Audio Move plugin. Okay. Audio Move transition. Alrighty. Audio Move OBS plugin. So you can't install it now unless you want to restart, and it's a bit of a pain to set up. Wait, is it just is it the Move plugin? So is it Move Transition for OBS Studio? So it's this one over here. Audio move is a simple. So it's this one called audio move. Ah, okay, if you could, please. That's pretty neat. Ooh, let me close this, actually. That's got some personal details in there. Alright. Now, let's see what to do for the final drawing. I'm just not feeling the art today. I could give it a shot. I could give it a shot, but I'm not great with that art stuff. Just a warning in advance. Okay. Let's see. Ah. So we'll first do your head. Circle. Okay. No. Perhaps, just maybe, raw dogging this without any plan isn't the best idea. Oh, thanks. But it needs a lot. My skills do need a lot of work. Ching. That is interesting. So it appears the little guy steals the mouse cursor, but he doesn't steal alternative cursors. That is interesting. Okay, we're really just winning this right now. Yeah. Ooh, that would be nice. Okay. Thing is, there's this one coloring book in my university library, which if I nipped, nobody would notice. The only problem is that you're not allowed to take books out of the library, since it's like you have to read them in the study area. But I think if I'd be sneaky about it, nobody would know. I mean, you know, if it helps, it helps. Probably. I think I will when I go. I'll probably go into campus tomorrow because I'm technically on a break for this week. Man, I might need to invest in a back brace or something. Because I'm just like all shrimped up over here. Alrighty. Robo voice. What? My voice sounded robotic? Okay. Alright, and then we're gonna set this layer to add. And then blue. Now we're just experimenting now. We don't actually know if this is gonna work or not. I mean, you don't have to send it now. Like tomorrow, I'll probably do like a proper art practice stream. Just I'll say that, but I'll probably only be doing it for like 3 or 4 hours. Now, what color were your eyes? Bring that reference back up. Blue. Alrighty. Oh, the plugin. Audio move plugin link. Okay, I'll probably. Oh, wait, actually, I think I know this plugin. Okay, I'll probably try and set it up later, but here you go. File, export, PNG transparent. Now, let's see, and will. Sorry, I put my pen in my mouth. Now, he does not seem happy. Oh, wow, that is. Okay. Well, lessons have been learned now. You know what? I'm just gonna that. Alright. Hang on. You know what? I'm gonna take the win. That looks marginally better, so fuck. Goose got us again. Okay. I'll definitely contact you about it if I need help. Alright, so I think that's it for today. Nope. Yeah, I might need to rework on that just a tad. Definitely needs some more development and experimentation, but otherwise, yeah, not the worst it could have come out. No. Okay. I think today I'm gonna end stream here for now and possibly pop on a bit later. Like it's been about I think almost 3 hours now. Maybe 4 hours? Yeah. Well, thanks everyone for showing up. Lovely having you all here. I think we're gonna end it now. And goodbye.